In this video, I'll show you how to fix a slow Windows 11 computer after an update. If your system has started lagging after a recent update, there are a few simple methods you can use to improve performance. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager, then open it. From the left side, click on Startup Apps. Here, you'll see a list of programs that automatically run when your computer starts. Go through the list and disable unnecessary apps. Just right-click on any enabled app and select Disable. Once you've done that, open the Start menu again and search for Disk Cleanup, then open the tool. Select all the available options, click OK, and then choose Delete Files to clear unnecessary data from your system. After this, check if your computer is running faster. If the issue still isn't resolved, you may need to roll back the recent update. To do that, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left side, select Windows Update, then scroll down and click on Update History. Next, click on Uninstall Updates. You'll see a list of recent updates. Check the dates carefully and uninstall the one that may be causing the issue. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the process, then restart your computer. This should help fix any performance problems caused by the update.